There's two young cockies, been visiting for a few weeks now. I think last week or the week before I videoed there were 7 cockies all in a row. 2 of them were the adults, the parents, and 5 were the babies. Well, these are 2 of the babies. And of course some of our Corellas. Always a busy morning. And we've got sunshine for a change, which is so nice. Had heaps of rain over the last week, last 5-6 days. Corellas over there in the tree. These guys are waiting for something to eat. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Here, see? They're walking over to me straight away. Here he comes. Come on. This one, I can hand feed. I prefer not to, but he also nips. He's a nipper. Come on. Yes, there is a pecking order. No. Not doing video. Oh, look good. I'll just have a quick look at the ringnecks over here. Stardust with a grape in his mouth, his mouth. And that Ziggy in the background who looks all dishevelled. He lost most of his feathers a while back. They've all started to grow back. Stardust is eating a grape there. He loves her grapes, or loves his grapes. They're both males as we worked it out. And Ziggy's eating, what's Ziggy eating there?
Millet spray.
Millet spray. So again, they get all the fresh food as well, as you can see. Millet spray, corn, apple, spinach, broccolini. Stardust is really hoeing into that grape. Okay, I better go and feed Fred.